Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm glad to introduce you guys our newest products, the countertop salad bar display cases. And this is a refrigerated units, model number VRX1500380. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. It's about like a 15.5 inches in the depth and 17.5 inches in the top. And 59.5 inches in the length. As you can see, we have operating system at the front, controller right here from the Dexo brand, and the switching here, and the US 110 standard plugs. And also you can put the trays at right here in the containers to making the things cold. And let's take a measurement for the inner side. The tray size overall will be 45 inches in the long and 12 inches in the depth and 6.5 inches in deep. And we also have a back side I can show you here. They have a ETL US sanitation stickers on it. Right here you can see that. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us. Thank you.